Hello everybody and welcome to my video. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day because I most definitely am. Today in this video I just want to show you guys how to install your indicators, your templates, and your expert advisors onto your MetaTrader4 platform for Windows and PC. Okay, so let's say you just purchased an indicator or an expert advisor, trading EA robot, or a new system online, and it's sent to your email and you downloaded it. Once you've downloaded that item, it's going to be located in your downloaded folder, or you can just go ahead and download it onto your desktop. For in this case, I have my item downloaded onto my desktop, so I can just easily open the folder. Boom. So this is my downloaded items that I want to add to my MetaTrader4 application. Next, I'm going to open my MetaTrader4 application. Then in the left hand corner, I'm going to click File. I'm going to scroll down to Open Data Folder. And in this folder, this is where you add your downloaded items. Alright, so it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a little confusing at first if you are doing this for the first time, but once you know how to do it, it's really easy, okay? So I try to make it simple and easy with my system specifically. I have a system that I sell on my website. You just look for the link down below and visit that site. There's a lot of great stuff on there, guys. And just let me know what you think. You can leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Alright, guys? Alright, so with my system here, and with most other systems also, this is how it'll look. For templates first, you just grab all these templates or the templates that you like to add onto your MetaTrader4 application. In this instance, I'm going to just grab them all. You'll press Control A and you'll just click and drag them to your template folder here. Okay, and as you can see, I actually have about 24 custom templates on my system. These templates help making trading and your analysis extremely easy. So if you already have an understanding of market structure, price action, and those elements and whatnot, then this system, you already have the advantage with this system basically. Okay, the system will take your trading to the next level. Okay, next is the indicators. All right, so you want to open up all the indicators here. We'll press Control A and just pretty much repeat the process. We're going to add all these indicators into our indicator folder. Okay, first we're going to press MT4 and indicator folder is right here. Okay, so here's our downloaded items. We'll just press Control A and we're just going to click and drag them into the indicator folder. And as you can see, my system offers over 141 indicators to help with your trading. Okay, these are tools that you can use. It's an arsenal of indicators that you can use to make your analysis easier, to help make your confirmation easier, some signals. There is a lot of great stuff in there, guys. If you've already purchased the system, please, I hope that you guys are playing with these indicators and testing them out and seeing how well they can help you guys out. Okay. Next is the expert advisors, the trading EA robots. Just repeat the same process. Okay. We'll just grab these guys and we'll click and drag them into the expert folder. Okay. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and close these down. All right. We'll go back to our MetaTrader4 application, and there's two ways that you can do this. Okay. I'd rather just go ahead and just close down the application and then reopen them, and then the indicators and the templates are installed and ready for your use. Or what some people like to do also is you can go over here to the side and just right click and click refresh. Just do that a couple times, maybe 2 times or whatever. Once it's refreshed, all the indicators should show up in your indicator folder, in your slots here, okay? And your template should be available also. So let's go ahead and open up a chart here. US 30, love US 30 and NASDAQ. And what is this? What is this? Now, I know some people have claimed to be an expert at reading charts naked. I'm not that type of person. I love my indicators and my templates because it makes reading the market extremely easy. Boom. Let's try this guy right here, okay? Now you see, now you can actually see the market. You can see the levels of support and resistance, and that's what this system will do for you. I recommend anybody to go out there and get you a system, get you some indicators, and just find what works for you, okay? That's the best way to do it. So anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoy that. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below, email me, visit my website, like and subscribe so I can make some more content for you guys, and hope to hear from you guys soon. Until next time, take care.